Good afternoon and welcome to Gloucester Docks. I just wanted to do a very quick video to just talk a little bit about what happened at the end of the previous video and what I'm doing next. So at the end of the previous video I showed you the valve spindle that was bent, and what happened there is I just got impatient and I used a vise to try and apply pressure to get the steam chest over the studs. And the reason I did that was because although I was trying to use a tapping guide to get the tapping holes for the studs fully vertical, one of them was slightly out, misaligned. And that ended up with the studs being at an angle, which meant it was very difficult to get them on. I got the valve caught in the clamps when I was clamping it, which then caused the valve spindle to bend. So I'm going to remake the valve spindle, I'm going to remake the stud, and I'm going to move on from that. And I think that's probably going to be the last video of the construction of the Stuart 10V. The next time we're going to see it, it's going to be fully finished. There's no need to go any further on that bit. What I'm going to do though is talk about the next project, because now we're at the stage where the 10V is basically complete. If you've been a long time viewer of the channel, you'll know that the ultimate goal has always been to build a 5-inch gauge locomotive, and I really want to do that next. Basically, this is a Hail Mary to say, if there's anyone who's viewing this channel who's an experienced machinist who thinks I can't do it for one reason or another, I need more experience in one or other things, please let me know now. Because otherwise, I'm just going to carry on, because it's ultimately what I want to do. If it turns out that that's a bad idea, I do have another intermediate step, because all of the things I've been doing, all the projects I've been doing have been incrementally more complex to lead me towards a locomotive. So I'm looking at a design for a gauge 1 locomotive that's very straightforward and very simple, that's very cost effective, and I'm thinking that could be an intermediate step if I need it. I don't really know if I do, and I'd love to hear from anyone who's got the knowledge, has watched the videos that I've done, to see how I'm doing things and my level of experience, whether or not I should just continue or I should stop and consolidate my skills further. So please do let me know.